Ako daw, picturean. Picturean ko si Unlimited. Ano ba tawag dito? Dito sa Itag TV. Itag TV. Parang makalimutan na natin yung hot pool dito.
Kasi hot na yan eh. Bakit na business na yan?
Ayan. Wow. Happy birthday to you. Are you happy sa birthday na, be?
Hindi.
Bakit?
Kasi may ano ka eh.
Ano yung ano? Happy birthday. Ano sa baoy?
Maulaw ta.
Maulaw man ka.
Saan niya rin ikaon?
Sige lang. Importante. Guwapo. No?
Kailangan na barnisan dito ya.
This morning, it is a electoral correction. But it is a two-way activity that was done this morning. The night of Columbus and simplification there done in the old church. That's why as a member of the simplification team, I was not able to attend the morning session. So we went to finish. And this afternoon, I was happy that my wife is here. And I told her, we'll go. Actually, it is my first time to have like this. As I internalized a while ago, while watching the movie, ganun palang kahirap si Jesus. And if you're going to put in ourselves na kayo, si Jesus, ganun kahirap pala ang buhay niya. And di ko lang, kasi kanina, as you have said that we'll put our hands and tumulang luha ko, hearing the music na ganito pala. Marami akong pagkukulang sa aking asawa, sa aking pamilya, and to the community. That's why I'm so happy to have like this, to join like this, and I hope this coming days or years or month, babalik rin kayo, and teach us more regarding this. So I was so happy to attend like this. So thank you very much, brothers and sisters.